Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. My pleasure to be here. So as we know, it's all about the tariffs. That's what the big driving story is that's affecting stocks, whether to the upside or to the downside. What's really moving to the upside? I'm glad you asked that question because I have stocks that I'm going to call the tariff Teflon stocks. And I think that these stocks will really just make the message known that these are stocks that probably are well shielded from tariffs. And that would be a great thing right now instead of getting caught up in the quagmire of what you should be doing. This channel loves fish. So I'm giving you some fish, but I think that these fish are probably really good fish because of the times that we're in right now. The market is down big time. Yesterday was down in a big way. And I want to show you what these stocks are doing. Hey, VV Nation, I'm Glenn.
And I'm Ryan. We've got a special event coming next month, May 1st. We're finally hitting the road. Now, we will be hosting some live streams. Tell them a little bit about the live streams we'll be doing.
We're going to have the Stock Analysis Power Hour. Ryan will host that. Bring your stocks. Let Ryan break them down for you. I'll also do a live stream called Trending Thursday. That's where we go through, look at what's going on in the market, what's going on in the news, and we analyze stocks. We also have a live presentation for those people who will be attending live as well. What's that, Ryan?
Now, we do have the presentation titled Unlocking the Secrets of Financial Success. Now, to register for free and get the details, just go to vectorvest.com/roadshow.
Here's my stocks. I want to start off something called I want this to go viral. I want this to be called the Teflon 8. Oof. If you like that, type it in the chat. The Teflon 8. These are stocks that I think have a high probability of being shielded from the tariffs. You look at Verizon I'm going to move this over a little bit. Let's go look at what industries we're in. Telecom, personal cosmetics, that would be Procter & Gamble. We all got to brush our teeth and look good, right? Even me. Healthcare HMO. I did a video or a short recently that healthcare HMO is really one of the industries that is rising right now. Food, restaurant. If you've got kids or grandkids, everybody and their mama want to go to McDonald's. I don't think McDonald's gets affected adversely from the tariffs. Food, beverage, soft drink, Coca-Cola is the number one name of a cola in the world. Name recognition in and of itself. All right? People are going to still drink Coke. All right? I'm a Pepsi drinker, though. Johnson & Johnson, we got 3 drug companies that are here that probably have really good stuff in the pipeline that put out a lot of good drugs that possibly won't be affected adversely by the tariffs. Now, you'll notice that I set this list as of the beginning of the year. You know me, when I do videos where I'm checking on momentum, I want to see how they've done from the first trading day of the year. And it's interesting with all of the ups and downs in the market. Let's see how these have done. So I set this back to January 2nd, 2025. Here are my 8 stocks, my Teflon 8. Let's do a quick test of them. Interesting, they're up 8% for the year, where the market is down over 6%. Now, are these stocks going up gangbusters, super aggressive? No. But, from the standpoint of having some solid stocks that have the ability to be shielded somewhat from the tariffs, that's not half bad. 4 of the 8 stocks are up double digits, no matter what the market has done this year. That's kind of impressive. 1 stock is down. It is a drug company, Merck, down over 12%. But everything else, 7 out of the 8 stocks are up since the beginning of the year. I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to stream it. I think and on a day like today, and I am recording this a day early, all right, because I won't be here on Friday. On a day like today where the market is down like this, see that? Big down day. Let's go to the home page. Everything is down 5% on the NASDAQ, 4% on the S&P, 4% on the VectorVest composite. On such a big down day, every single one of these stocks is making money today. Look at that. That catches my attention, and that's why I like the Teflon 8. Now, I created a portfolio that we're going to monitor going throughout the year. Under portfolios, I called it the tariff Teflon stocks. From the time that I put them in earlier today, they're flat. 4 of the stocks are making money. 4 of the stocks are not making money. Nothing is running away to the upside or to the downside. I think that this could really be a solid portfolio of stocks. Just turned negative. Could be a solid portfolio of stocks to keep your eyes on that could be shielded from the tariffs, being that that's the big story. I'd rather have you on the side of not having to worry so much about the tariffs because it's news. Let's stick to the facts. Let's look at what the stocks are doing. Let's go, as a matter of fact, let's right click. Let's view the stock graph. Let's go take a look at them. Let's go take a look at them. Phew. UNH, that's moving up. Trade the chart in an uptrend. Next one. Let's go. AMGN, still in an uptrend from the standpoint of long term. I do like that it's broken through this downtrend, moved sideways. I have a couple of levels of resistance. I do like the rising earnings growth. I don't like the falling earnings per share. Next one, nice jump on Johnson & Johnson. I'd like to see if it can fade this gap here after it gapped down, gapped up. I'll keep my eyes on that, all right? I don't like the downtrend. If I'm going to think about getting it as a Teflon stock, oh, look at that. It's right there trading close to the trend line. I'd like to see it break above. Nice 2 jumps for 2 days in a row. McDonald's right at resistance, but coming up off this level of a floor, moving higher. Next one is Coca-Cola. Broke through this level of support, served as another level of support, trading the chart. Uptrend, did stop at resistance though. But definitely moving in an uptrend. Next one, Procter & Gamble, in an uptrend, broke through a couple of levels of resistance. I'd like to see if it's got legs to continue moving to the upside. Next one, Verizon, beautiful uptrend. It's got a lot of room here before it takes out that 3-month high. It's got probability. And the last one, Merck was the only stock that over the last year, or over, since year to date, was the only one that was down. I would wait on Merck. Let's see if it can get at least back up above that 50-day moving average from a longer-term perspective. Earnings per share, earnings growth are falling. We'll see how Teflon that is. So, again, going back to the portfolio, still flat today. We're going to track this going forward. I want to really see if these stocks are Teflon stocks. Remember, go look at the graphs before you buy any if you decide to do so. Folks, that was straight to the point. Teflon 8, the Teflon 8. Type it in the chat. If you're brand new to the software or brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, be alerted when new videos like this come out. Folks, if you like what you saw today and this could be useful to you, make sure you hit the like button. Give me some comments as well of what you think other stocks are Teflon stocks. I'm going to give you another one, Nucor, NUE, steel stocks. I think that might bring more buying of steel to the United States. We'll see. But I want to hear from you, so let me know in the chat. Folks, this video is over. Have a great weekend. Until the next time, see ya.